Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best lint cleaner is probably one of the most surprisingly essential tools you didn't know you needed, transforming your home and wardrobe by effortlessly removing pet hair, lint, and fuzz from clothes, furniture, and carpets, making everything look fresh and new with minimal effort and maximum satisfaction. Truly a game changer for maintaining a pristine living space. Number 5. Uproot Cleaner Extra Pet Hair Removal Tool. This tool features a special multi-fabric edge design. It's crafted to be gentle on your rugs and carpets, making it safe for various non-knitted fabrics, and even your pets. Experience extra large, extra long, and extra easy cleaning. Simply pull it across any affected area to collect pet hair, all without bending or straining your back. Setting it up is incredibly easy and quick. Just twist the height adjuster, extend or shorten the pole to your desired length, then insert the head and secure it with a screw. This powerful tool reaches deep into your carpets, grabbing even the most embedded fur and lint. It saves you time and energy by cleaning thoroughly in just a single swipe. It's designed to be every pet owner's helping hand. This tool removes the frustration of cleaning, replacing it with simple, time-saving fun for a happier home. What we like? This tool features a telescopic 60-inch handle, making it easy to clean without bending or kneeling. Its special multi-fabric edge design is gentle on carpets and curtains, ensuring no damage while effectively removing pet hair. If you are looking for a back-friendly solution to tackle pet hair on large carpeted areas, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Number 4. PetLovers EzRoll Reusable Lint Roller. Discover its powerful cleaning ability. It effortlessly lifts lint, pet hair, and dust, leaving your fabric spotless and cared for. It tackles clothes, upholstery, and auto interiors with ease. This makes it your go-to tool for a spotless, lint-free environment. Embrace a greener clean with this product. Simply rinse away collected debris, and it's ready for action again, making it a sustainable and efficient choice. From your living room to your wardrobe, it shines as a multi-surface sticky roller. It's a versatile cleaning champion for every fabric and corner in your home. Trust in its quality and reliability, backed by dedicated customer service. We are here to ensure your home shines and smiles. What we like? This reusable lint roller offers superior cleaning power that's gentle on various fabrics. It's washable and reusable, making it an eco-smart choice for sustainable cleaning. If you are an eco-conscious consumer looking for a versatile, sticky-for-life solution for clothes, upholstery, and car interiors, this is an excellent option. What people say. Number 3. Uproot Cleaner Pro, Mini and Extra Pet Hair Remover Kit. Unlike other removers that can damage fabrics, this kit features unique multi-fabric edges. They are designed to clean everything from large areas to tight corners, even your car's upholstery. Remember to use gently and identify the fabric first. Do you spend too much time cleaning up pet hair? Simply grab one of these tools, pull it across the hairy spot, and easily dispose of the collected fur. This allows you to enjoy more quality time with your beloved pets. Setting up the Xtra model is incredibly simple. Just twist the height adjuster, extend or shorten the pole to your desired length, and then insert the head and secure it with a screw. You'll be ready to clean in no time. These innovative tools require no batteries, sticky rolls, or disposable bags. They are designed for infinite reuse, saving you money and reducing waste. Invest once and enjoy a lifetime of clean. This pet hair remover kit is designed to simplify every pet owner's life. Say goodbye to disposable lint cleaners and frustrating messes. It's the perfect choice for your home, pocket, and even your car. What we like? This comprehensive bundle includes Pro, Mini, and Extra tools, offering a solution for every cleaning need. Its multi-fabric edges are designed to clean various surfaces from large areas to hard-to-reach corners without tearing. If you have multiple pets and need a versatile, infinitely reusable kit to tackle fur on different surfaces, this bundle is your ultimate survival kit. What people say. No positive reviews found in the empty source. Unable to extract points as source is empty. Number 2. Uproot Clean Fur-Nado Survival Kit. Unlike other lint removers that can damage fabrics, this kit features a unique multi-fabric edge design. It's perfect for rugs, couches, pet towers, beds, and even car upholstery. Remember to use it gently and identify your fabric first. Short on time but love your pets? Simply grab one of these tools, pull it across the hairy spot, and easily dispose of the collected fur. Enjoy more quality moments with your furry companion. This bundle saves you time and energy by tackling even the most stubborn embedded hairs. Use the Mini for your car, the Pro for your couch, and the Max as a powerful carpet scraper. They reach every attached follicle, dust, and lint with ease. Say goodbye to batteries, rolls, or bags. These tools are infinitely reusable, saving you money in the long run. Invest in this durable bundle and enjoy a lifetime of clean. This innovative tool bundle simplifies life for every pet owner. No more disposable lint rollers or frustrating cleaning sessions. It's a fantastic choice for your home, pocket, and car. What we like. This kit provides Mini, Pro, and Max variants, each specialized for different cleaning tasks like car, couch, and carpet. It excels at reaching and removing even the most embedded hairs, dust, and lint. If you are a pet owner seeking a powerful, time-saving solution for deeply embedded fur across all areas of your home and car, this survival kit is ideal. What people say. Number 1. Uproot Cleaner Pro and Extra Pet Hair Remover Bundle. Are you tired of stubborn pet hair clinging to every surface? This innovative bundle is designed to tackle even the most embedded fur, making your home spotless. It's the ultimate solution for a cleaner living space. Featuring uniquely designed multi-fabric edges, it can clean anywhere from large carpets to delicate sofa upholstery. Just remember to use it gently on new fabrics to ensure compatibility. This tool is truly versatile for all your cleaning needs. Cleaning up pet hair has never been easier or faster. Simply glide it across the hairy spot, and watch as it collects all the fur. This means more precious moments for you and your furry companion. Setting up the Xtra model is a breeze. Just twist the height adjuster, extend the pole to your desired length, and secure the head. You'll be ready to clean in moments, without any hassle. This bundle saves you time and energy by effectively removing deeply embedded hairs. Use the Pro for pet beds and rugs, and the Xtra as a powerful carpet scraper. They work together to leave no fur behind. Forget about batteries, sticky rolls, or disposable bags. This tool is infinitely reusable, saving you money and reducing waste. It's a smart, sustainable choice for pet owners everywhere. What we like. This bundle combines the popular Pro and Extra tools, offering effective cleaning for pet beds, rugs, and carpets. It boasts an easy setup and is infinitely reusable, requiring no batteries, rolls, or bags. If you are looking for a straightforward, cost-effective, and durable solution for both large carpeted areas and smaller pet zones, this bundle is a smart investment. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.